Hi everyone, I am Geeta Nushri, currently pursuing second year BTech in CSE from Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. Today we are going to learn five most fun concepts in JavaScript, such as variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. We'll start with a variable. A variable is a name storage location used to store data that can be retrieved or changed later in the program. Now we'll write our example code for this. Now I have defined let name equal to Tanushree, const pi equal to 3.141. Now we'll print this console.log. Now I'll print name console.log. I'll print pi. Now I'll run this. Node. The file name is variables.js. This will print us the name, which is as Tanushree, and the constant value of pi 3.141. We'll move with arrays. Array is a data structure that stores multiple values in a single variable arranged in an order list. Each value in an array is called as an element and it has an index starting from 0 to n-1 elements. Now we'll go to this. I have defined an array colors which having the elements red, green and orange. Now we'll print each element. Console.log colors 0. This will print as the red. Console.log colors 1. This will print as green. Console.log colors 2. This will print as orange. Now, if we want to print out the number of elements in the array, now we'll use this console.log colors.length length. We'll run this. Node arrays.js. This will print as red, green, orange, and the number of elements in the arrays, which are 3. Now we'll move with objects. Functions. Sorry. A function is a reusable block of code defined to perform a specific task. It allows you to write a code once and use it multiple times. Now we'll do an example code for functions. I've written a function here named as greet, which will take an input name. So this will return hello plus the input whatever we have given. We'll do console log greet. I'm calling the function greet and I'm giving the input Tanush. I'll run this. This will give us hello Tanushri. We'll give another input console.log greet Divya. Now this will give us hello Divya. See, hello Divya. This is the concept of functions. Now we'll move with objects. An object is a collection of data in the form of key value pairs. Keys are also called as properties and their values can be strings, arrays, objects or even functions. The objects are used for representing real world entities in the code. We'll write a sample code for objects. Now I've created an object called as a person who's having the properties name, age, student. Now I'll print out the name of this person. Console.log. We'll write the name of the object which is person dot. We have to print the name of the object name. And we'll also print the age. Console.log name of the object which is person dot age. This will give us the name of the person and also the age of the person. Now I'll do node object dot objects.js. Sorry. So the name of the person is Divya and the age is 18. Now we'll move to loops. A loop is a programming construct that repeats a block of code until a certain condition is met. They are used to perform repetitive tasks without writing the same code multiple times. There are now three types of loops: for loop, for of loop, and while loop. I have created an array here fruits which is having the elements apple, banana, and grapes. We'll do with for loop now. For let I equal to 0, we are declaring a variable I equal to 0. I is less than fruits length, which is I is less than 3, I plus plus. Console.log fruits I. Now this will print the all the fruits. We'll do node loops.js. See, apple, banana, and grapes. This is the output of the for loop. Now we'll go for of loop. For let fruits of fruit. Here I'm doing console.fruit. I'm printing this fruit. Okay. This will also give us the output apple, banana, and grapes. Now we'll go for while loop. We are defining a variable, declaring a variable index which is equal to 0. While index is less than or equal to 3, we are printing the fruits of index. First index is 0. We are printing apple, which is the index 0. The condition 0 is less than or equal to 3 satisfies, so 0 plus plus, which is equal to 1. Now fruits of 1 will print as banana. 1 is less than or equal to 3. Now this will go 1 plus plus, which is equal to 2, and it will print grapes. Here if we remove I less than equal to, now this is perfect. We'll run this again. Node loops.js. Yeah, this is the perfect condition. Thank you.